This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Belmont Decor, Glacier glazed maple hardwood Cabi interior, sleeps 4, skylight, TV, slideout, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, external shower, leveling jacks, water heater, self-contained, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 400 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.